Today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy way to cook a spaghetti squash in the microwave. Get yourself a microwave tray. Get yourself a spaghetti squash. You want to take and pierce it. I do about 6 piercings on each side. So pierce it, flip it, pierce it. And when I do, I stick it in pretty much halfway. Make sure you get that skin, because when you cook this in a microwave, if it doesn't breathe, it'll explode. Alrighty. And if you could see the slit, it's about 1 inch long, which you kind of want. And then pierce that. And then I'm going to flip and pierce this again. And then, see that side, same thing, about 1 inch or so. If you want to do a little more, that's cool too. And then you just stick it in a microwave. I do about 12 minutes. And I do 6 minutes. And then when that's over, flip it to the side and then do another 6 minutes on that side. And make sure you have oven gloves still, because this will get very hot. And this gets very hot. I don't want you to burn your hands. And especially with the slits, you're going to have steam coming out of there. So I burnt my hand a couple times, so wear a glove. So this is halfway through. And just, let me show you. You can, I don't know if you can see it. Well, if you see my nail, how quickly it goes in now. So, you know, flip that over. And now do it on this side for 6 minutes. And then you will be done. And when you're done, you should be able to poke it like that. See how it dents in. And just cut into it. And see how soft it is. That's what you're looking for. And then just clean it out. And there's several ways you can make one of these. Ooh, very hard to see the steam. So be careful when you cut it. And if you've never cleaned one of these, you take all these seeds out. I use a big spoon like this. You just scrape that. And put these in a bowl. You can actually roast them if you like. I usually don't. One of these days I might. This was actually a very nice spaghetti squash because it had hardly no seeds in there, which makes things a lot easier for me. And you see how it's stringy? This is why it's called spaghetti squash. Yep, looks like spaghetti. And there you have it. And you're just going to take and scrape this off those. I still got a little more seeds we'll pick out, but you're going to take and scrape this all out and put it in your bowl. And then, depending on how you want to make it, that's what you're going to do.